Okay, we got an extremely dry chain right here, super squeaky. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna release these brakes, that way I don't get no chain lube on the brake pads. I'm gonna use some White Lightning chain lube, Epic Ride. It's silicone based. Let's see, this is really, yeah, okay, that's not good. Let's see. This is a little trick. Put this right here. Yeah, that's really bad. Really dry. Okay. Okay. And this valve right here is crooked, so I got to release all the air and kind of maneuver it. So it's gotta be straight. I'm just using a 5mm Allen key. 5mm Allen key. So I'm breaking the bead from the rim. I'm just gonna slide this tire, kind of shift that valve, make it straight, just like that. Okay. Look at this. Look at this. This is about, man, I want to pump it up to like 55 psi. Shenzhen tire. Shenzhen Trek. So yeah, 40 to 65 psi. I'll put it to 55 psi. 55 psi. Got it. Pump that up. I'm gonna get a cap for it. Cap. Only got one left. Cap left. It's pretty straight. 5mm Allen key. Got the trolley coming through. Trolley. Okay, straighten out that valve. Come back and good. Yeah. Okay, got that. Yeah, that was pretty bad. It was really dry. I'm gonna put some chain lube. I like to put some chain lube on the pulley wheels and the derailleur. Yeah, that was pretty bad. Pretty bad. Okay. Man, that's a old school Trek 830. That's pretty cool. Bosque mobile bicycle repair here. This customer got a slow leak on the front of his tire, and he wants to get back on the road as quick as possible. So I'm just gonna put some slime in it. It's some sealant. You can buy this at you know, the big box retail stores. So this is a Schrader valve. I'm going to be removing the Schrader valve core. So the air is going to come out. Got the trolley. So basically the slime has like these little hairs in it, and this one, this does get really messy, so like let's see here. Oh, hit my head. Make sure you shake the slime so you can mix the slime with the hairs, the liquid with the hairs. Okay, so basically, sheesh. Yeah, this is, not a big fan of this, but it's a temporary solution. So you want to put like 4 ounces into the tube. So make sure you hold the tube around that Schrader valve. Oh, I put a lot of slime in there. Well, the customer gets some extra. Okay. So now I gotta put back on the valve core. You do not need to tighten this super crazy. You can use 2 fingers. It's just going to tighten it like 1 or 2 Newton meters. And so that's it. Okay. I'm going to get my Ryobi pump. And the PSI on this tire is, let's see, it is 25 to 50 PSI. I'm gonna put it at 45, 48. So you gotta spin the tire after you put in that slime because you want it to coat the inside of the tube. So after you pump it up, immediately spin it. That way it clogs the little hole in the tube. So you gotta do that. Okay, gotta do that. Clean that slime up a little bit. Clean up that slime. I'm just gonna pump it up a little bit more. That way I make sure the exact pressure. This is my surface tier 3 pump. So, yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna put it to 50 because yeah. There you go. Spin it again for good luck. Got the slime in there. I'm gonna check the shifting, just make sure it's okay. Let me check. Why does it sound like that? It's rubbing on something. It's that bolt in there that's loose. That's what it is. Yeah, the bolts are in there. But this guy, he wants to get back on the road. Oh yeah. That's about to fall out. Yeah, that's not good. No bueno. All right, so I'm gonna take off this rear wheel. It's on the, I gotta put it in the lowest gear. Lowest gear. You gotta tighten these fender bolts. It's just gonna be a number 2 Phillips. Okay. Number 2 Phillips. Yeah, these are really loose. These actually need some Loctite on them. Some of these guys want to get out of here, and you gotta let the Loctite dry. But heck, you know what? I'll just put some Loctite on it, on the middle one, because that one is gonna be a.
Yeah, behind us. That's where I used to park all the time.
Yeah.
I come down.
I just put the one on. Yeah, if you're gonna use Loctite, you gotta put it on the threads and let it dry for like 5 minutes at room temperature or something like that. You gotta clean this, of course, but we're out in the field, so we're gonna deal with what we got. You know what I'm saying? And this is specifically Loctite 24005. This does not always come in the blue color. Sometimes it can come in red. So that's something that was told to me by Master Tech at Barnett's, formerly Barnett's. But he was very, you know. Oh, here comes the trolley again. They're running overtime right now. I think the game's about to start. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna Loctite. Jeez. I'm scared I'm gonna get clipped by that trolley. Okay, got it. Now we're gonna get my 5mm, because I know these brakes are gonna be needed adjusting. The shifting on this bike is pretty good, so we're all right with that. Oh, you know what? Where's the button at on this thing? There we go. Use your knee to push it up in there. Okay. rubbing? No, it's not. Actually, it's not rubbing at all. I'm gonna check the pressure on this one real quick. It's the rear tire. Rear tire. This one is a it was at 40 psi. I'll put it at 50. Okay. There we go. Bada bing, bada boom. No more rubbing on it. You don't hear no rubbing on that fender. That was cool. Did that in record time. Bosque mobile bicycle repair. But yeah, this is a specialized bike right here. It's pretty cool. It's a recreational bicycle. It's a probably like a 1x11 or 10. It's a nice shifter right there, micro shift. Pretty cool. This guy's smart right here. He got a New York kryptonite lock. I think this is the Forget About It model. Yeah, I think this is the Forget About It. Let me see. Forget About It, yep. See, this is the best. This is one of the best locks you can buy right here. Is the New York Forget About It lock. Alright, but anyways, have a great ride, everybody. If you need a pit stop, I'm right here off of the bike path in downtown Denver, Colorado. Bada bing, bada boom. Bam. Boom. Bada bing. Let me go that check it out. Well, I got it tuned up.